AI is actively transforming industries and careers. By 2027, millions of jobs will be reshaped, eliminated, or newly created, according to the World Economic Forum. The key question is not if AI will impact your career, but whether you are prepared for these changes. The future favors those who embrace AI as a tool for efficiency and growth. AI enables professionals to complete tasks rapidly, increasing productivity. Those skilled in AI are earning higher salaries and advancing their careers swiftly. Embrace AI to work faster, earn more, and grow your career exponentially. The arrival of calculators revolutionized accounting, boosting productivity for those who embrace them. Similarly, artificial intelligence is transforming industries at an unprecedented pace. It's not about artificial intelligence replacing jobs, but about professionals using artificial intelligence to outperform others. Adapting to artificial intelligence is crucial for staying ahead in your career. Welcome to the 5 skills that will define your career by 2027. These skills are crucial, learnable, and in demand today. Mastering them will place you ahead of 90% of your peers across industries. AI tools mastery is crucial in today's workforce. Mastering tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini enhances writing, coding, and research capabilities. ChatGPT excels in brainstorming and research, Claude in long form analysis, and Gemini integrates with Google's ecosystem for multimodal tasks. Become a power user to consistently achieve optimal results. Prompt engineering is crucial for maximizing AI potential. Craft clear, specific, and context rich prompts to achieve exceptional outputs. Define your goal, format, tone, and audience. Provide context to enhance results. Use structured requests like act as, do this, formatted as to ensure professional quality outcomes. This skill is highly valued and increasingly taught globally. Automation in 2027 involves building systems with AI to streamline tasks, automate email responses, social media scheduling, data collection, and document generation. Learn tools like Zapier for app connections, Make for visual workflows, Notion AI for knowledge management, and N8N for open source automation. Understanding data and creative vision are key superpowers in the AI era. Mastering data analysis with tools like Excel or Tableau enables smarter decisions. Meanwhile, AI tools such as Midjourney and Canva AI enhance creative output, allowing you to build a strong personal brand or creative business. In 2027, productivity thrives on a seamless workflow from idea to income. This loop integrates human insight with AI execution, enhancing each stage: idea generation, AI tool application, automation, output, and monetization. The true power lies in the interconnected system, which accelerates and amplifies returns with each iteration. AI is creating new careers like AI prompt engineer, AI automation specialist, and AI content creator. These roles involve designing AI prompts, managing AI workflows, and producing content with AI tools. Additionally, AI product managers and AI trainers are leading development and refining AI models. Demand for these positions is rapidly growing. Most jobs are evolving, not disappearing. Manual data analysts become AI assisted analysts, and content writers transform into AI content creators and strategists. Software developers evolve into AI augmented developers. Embrace AI tools now to gain a head start in this transformation. To thrive in the AI era, start using AI tools like ChatGPT daily for tasks. Focus deeply on mastering one tool before expanding. Build small projects to learn effectively and share your journey online to build credibility and attract opportunities. Consistency and early adoption are key to success.